Secondly, me as a LRA leader, I'm agree of everything because I'm a human being. And I know very well, and some other people also, they know very well that what the government of Uganda is saying is not true because Museveni is fighting me with his old government. So Museveni cannot say that I'm good, I'm what. He will take away or he will check for a way which can kill or can make one not to be alive in the world. This is what we should know very well. As now Museveni say that I was accused in X or in ICC, which is not true. I'm not a terrorist. I'm also a rebel. I'm opposition, military position, as SPLA, as some other people. I'm opposition. So if Museveni say like that, it means that the whole opposition leader of Africa, they should also be taken to the X, which is not true. This is what you should know very well, which I know also. So we talk with Sudan government. I'm agree.